Hey guys, welcome to MindAcademy, and in this freeCodeCamp lesson we're gonna learn about regular expressions match beginning string patterns. So prior challenges show that regular expressions can be used to look for a number of matches. They are also used to search for patterns in specific positions in strings. In an earlier challenge you used the caret character, which is represented by this, inside the character set to create a negative character set in the form caret things that will not be matched. Outside of a character set, so outside of those parentheses, the caret is used to search for patterns on the beginning of strings. So we have this code over here, and this is an example of the first string where Ricky is the first and can be found, and then we'll have a regex with the caret Ricky, and when you use this, we're gonna test this regex, it will show us true, because Ricky is indeed the first character set that we found. Now if we're gonna make another string and we'll say you can find Ricky now, and we're gonna test again the regex, it will return false because Ricky is no longer the first characters that you'll find in this particular string. So now for the exercise we have to use the caret character in the regex to find crawl. Only on the beginning we have to use the caret character in the regex to find crawl. Only in the beginning of the string Ricky and crawl. So as you can see, crawl is already in the beginning of the string, so we just gonna have to change this regex over here. We're gonna put the caret sign and then we're gonna put crawl. So by using this we'll just find the crawl at the beginning of the string. So let's test this, and target acquired. See you in the next lesson.